Hey Spidey,
Hi.
what are we going to do today with this amazing grabbing machine?
We got Batman toy and Halloween toys.
Halloween toys, we got superheroes, haven't we?
Mhm.
So should we try to help Thomas out by saving him and get him out?
Mhm.
Use your magic key.
Doctor.
Who are you going to try to get first?
That one.
Which one? Does he have a name?
Yeah.
What?
Flash.
Flash? Wow, that's a good choice.
Are they going to get off? Come on.
Uh-oh.
Are they going to get
Who have we got? Oh, you nearly got him. That's it. You can get him now. Yes! You got him. Who is it? He's upside down. It's James just dressed as Flash. Wow. Good job. Wow, do you like him?
Mhm.
Is he your favourite? Really?
Mhm.
Okay, let's try to get another one out. Your favourite superhero? Wow, look how cool he is.
I find that off again.
Uh-oh. Oh, nearly. Uh-oh. Oh, have to go up a bit. That's it. Wow. Oh, nearly. Uh-oh. Oh, you got him again. He's upside down as well.
I got him on 2 wheels, 3 wheels, I think.
3 wheels.
Let's see, 1,
Yeah.
3.
Drop him in before he runs out. Oh, good job.
Doctor Man. I can name it.
Uh-oh, that's salty.
Salty.
Alright, put him next to Flash. Oh yeah, keep him on there, that's a good idea. Alright, who should we get out next? Who's in there?
I think that's Joker.
Joker?
I don't know if that's Joker, I think.
Could be. Yeah, it's Luke dressed up. Okay, let's go.
I think that the camera out with pink on them.
Pretend help with pink on him. That'd be so funny.
I think that's the guy.
Oh, good job.
I got them. I wouldn't did that then.
Oh, well done.
I don't know what the name is.
Good job. Let's have a look. We got,
I think it's Fireman.
it is Flynn.
Friend.
Okay, let's see who we can get next.
Let's put them on my phone. No.
Let's see who we can get next.
Oh no. Wait, I don't know. Doggy. I find Jack Joker now.
Alright, try to get Joker then. Uh-oh.
I got Jack. I want to know that. Come on.
Uh-oh, nearly.
Doggy is kind of getting away from me. I'm not like big boy thing.
Alright, try to get him, man.
There is big boy. Ah! I don't have to cyborg.
Alright, let's try to get Cyborg, is it? Oh, nearly. Try again. Oh, so close. Uh-oh. Will we get one? Oh, we're gonna run out of time.
No, it's ten.
Oh, you got him now. Uh-oh. Try again.
I got them. Little cyborg.
You got him. Good job.
Cyborg.
Wow. Let's have a closer look at him. Let's put him next to everyone else.
Oh, no.
Yeah, let's have a look at him first. Okay, let's see if we can get another one out. Wow.
There we are.
Good job.
I can let Joker now.
Alright, get Joker. That's a good idea.
He's okay now. Yeah.
He's good, is he? Think you can get him? Uh-oh, you keep getting the glass. Go over a little bit. Oh, I think you got him. Oh. Uh-oh. Good job.
I'm gonna do this. I can't get the wood.
Oh, good job.
Stop then. I think this is going okay. Look, we have different too fast.
Ah, cool. Who is it?
So,
It's Emily. Wow. Good job. Look at that train we got.
no, we need potato.
Well, let's get another one out. Okay, let's go.
Come on, Robert. You want to come out? Robert and Steele. Percy, come on.
Nearly. Wow, good job.
Look, Robert.
Wow.
Robert.
He looks really happy to be caught. Quick, drop him. Wow,
Robin!
good job.
Robin is Batman's best friend.
Yeah, he looks awesome. Come on, then let's get another one out. Let's go. Who are we going to try to get next?
That's Mummy.
Percy, is it? Wow,
Mummy after.
I can see Percy.
Okay.
Ah, first time.
Look at Gorka.
Good job.
He's upside down.
How was he upside down? Did you hit him upside down?
I think.
Yay, good job.
Can you get away from me?
Wow,
Percy after Mummy.
cool.
We got better.
Who are we going to get next?
You don't know Halloween.
Yeah, some of them look like Halloween, don't they?
That one. Look at
Twiddler. Good job, that's a good choice.
Are they going to do this?
Okay. Anyone, it doesn't matter. Get Catwoman. Alright, come on then. Oh, I got him by a little wheel.
I think I got him. And there too.
Hey, good job.
On the
Wow, that's a really cool one.
Some is bad and some is good guide.
They look awesome.
We got one bad.
Come on then, there's 3 more to go. Let's get them.
We got one bad guide. Left. We got one bad.
Come on then, let's get it.
We got 2 bad guys. Why is that one? Walk up. The black box is at the way from here. I mean it, walk up. Walk up. I'm not backing away from you. Walk up so tough.
He's a baddie, that's why.
You don't want to
He doesn't want to come out, no. You have to catch him.
But you are coming out. Walk up. It's best to come out. Go, 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 go.
Change your mind now, have you?
I just want to get happy.
Come on, Anne.
Look, I'm not stepping up.
Oh, let's get them. And these are the two baddies in there I can see. We've got Catwoman.
No, Catwoman's a good guy.
Oh, she's a good guy now, is she? Wow, you got her. Good job. Yes.
Super fast.
Yay.
Is that there?
Yeah. Right, let's get the last two then. Let's go.
Those two is bad guys.
Yeah.
Joker.
Joker doesn't want to come out.
No, we need to leave him in there.
No, I think we need to catch him.
No, we don't.
Let's get Joker.
I reckon it's
Oh, you're getting the other one, yeah? Who's the other guy?
Joker.
Joker's friend.
What would we need then?
Oh, good job. Yes. And the last evil one. Who is it? Let's take a look. It's Bert. Wow. Hello, Bert.
Who are we calling up the station?
Let's grab Joker then before he runs away. Because he's a slippery character, isn't he?
You're not letting away from guys.
No. Spidey will catch him easy. Oh.
I got Nathan knocking me back. I'm back in. Okay, the hard one.
There we go. Go down now. Uh-oh.
I know how I got in that.
Yes.
Go again.
Good job.
Oh, you want to
Yes. Hey, hey. High five.
Okay, go.
High five, mate. Good job.
Okay.
So which one was your favourite?
Wow, look at all these cool characters we got.
Grabbing machine. Which one did you like the most? Flash. Do you know what I like the most?
Sure.
Have a guess.
I know.
Have a guess which one?
Robin.
Yeah. How do you know?
Cause
He's really cool. Put him up here. Put him here. That's past me, Flash.
Cause Robin is Batman.
Wow. Yeah. We need to find Batman, don't we?
We don't have Batman.
No, we'll need to find him. We'll need to hunt for him. Is that a good idea? No.
We don't need Batman.
No? You're happy with what you got, are we?
Uh-oh.
That's okay. So let us know in the comments below, guys, what was your favourite from this video?
Let's see what thing that was our core.
From our claw. Our claw's really cool, isn't it? So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Hey guys, to check out the last video that we made together, click that link on your screen now and it will take you right to it. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you got fuzz. Cool.